Creating a client dashboard with CrankWheel is easier than you might think, and in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. But here's the thing, while CrankWheel is great for certain things, there are some things it doesn't quite hit the mark on. Stick around until the end to see why, and I'll share a great alternative that might just be better for your needs. Let's jump right in. The first step in creating your client dashboard with CrankWheel is getting your account set up. Head over to CrankWheel's website, sign up for an account, and follow the prompts to complete your setup. Once you're in, the dashboard is pretty intuitive, but the key is figuring out what you want to track and display. Next thing, CrankWheel lets you easily share your screen during calls with clients, but for creating a dashboard, you'll be focused on their Instant Screen Share feature. You can quickly create a session, share your screen with your client, and start customizing your dashboard on the fly. But here's where it gets tricky. CrankWheel doesn't give you a lot of flexibility when it comes to advanced customization. You can add a ton of interactive elements or detailed visuals like you could with other tools. Moving on, once you start adding elements to your dashboard, you'll notice that CrankWheel offers a basic template for a clean and professional look. You can upload logos, adjust some colors, and set up simple call to action buttons. But if you're expecting something with deeper customization, like advanced analytics or a fully customizable layout, you're going to be disappointed. It's really suited for quick, simple screen sharing with clients, not a full-fledged, interactive dashboard. The fourth thing to know about CrankWheel is its limited integration capabilities. It connects well with basic tools like Google Calendar and email, but it doesn't offer deep integration with CRM platforms or other software that might be vital for managing your clients effectively. If you're looking for a truly interconnected client dashboard that integrates seamlessly with your customer relationship management tools, CrankWheel might leave you wanting more. Lastly, one thing that stands out about CrankWheel is its ease of use. If you're new to screen sharing and just need something simple and quick, CrankWheel works perfectly. But if you're looking for something more complex and customizable, it can feel a bit restrictive. Now, if you're after more flexibility, a better client dashboard solution might be what you're looking for. I've got an exclusive, extended free trial of a competing software that might serve your needs much better, offering a lot more customization, advanced integrations, and a more complete experience for managing your clients. Plus, through the link below, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. To sum it up, CrankWheel is a great tool for fast, simple client interactions, but when it comes to building a robust client dashboard, you might want to explore alternatives that can give you more flexibility and features. Check out the link below for a free trial to some of the best dashboard software out there, and you'll get a chance to experience the benefits yourself. Make sure to grab that exclusive deal through our link. It's only available to our viewers.